Hiya! So I'm not gonna lie, did just wake up. FedEx man came really early on my day off, so I'm not lying. But my Ateez Japanese albums have arrived, so I'm gonna unbox these. Okay, I have no idea what to expect. I've never ordered from here before, so let me just see if there's anything. So I ordered these from CD Japan. Never ordered from there before. It's usually I order the Ateez Japanese albums from Amazon Japan. But I saw someone else use this and it was a lot cheaper than the regular one. Then Amazon Japan. Oh my god! Why are you doing this to me? Let's see what we have here. Hello! So, I've got... What do I have actually? I got 4 of one, 5 of the other. I don't know which one's the limited and which one's the regular. This is probably the limited because it has a sleeve on it. This looks like it has some freebies, so let's open this first. And I have to have scissors. Oh, what are these? Oh, these are cute. Let's just put that over there. So I got like these as freebies. I didn't order them. They look to me like sleeves for the albums if I want to like change the cover, I guess. So that's very cute. They're all the same, so there's no reason to go through them all. Okay, let's get into it. So yeah, so the limited one has a DVD, so the limited one is this one. Should we start with the regular or limited? Let's start with the limited because I think they have, oh, they have awkward packaging. I think they have selfie photo cards. Oh, the sticker's on the front. Let me show the packaging first because the sticker's on the front. So, front, back. Obviously, these are all the Japanese versions of the songs. I'm yet to listen to them. There is a new song still here, so listen to that. The side is very nice. So I think I prefer this packaging to the other Japanese albums. The other ones, I know they're all like normal CDs. Oh, there is a thing to pull. Yeah, I know the other ones are just normal CDs and so are these, but like this one has a nice sleeve on it. So pull this off. And then it's basically the same thing. Put that there. Okay. And this up, you have the CD and the DVD there. To get to it, you have to pull this, I think. Oh, it's this way this time. There you go. The other time you have to pull the other side. So the photo card will be in here. There we go. Just put that there. I think that's everything in there. Yep. So I'll just go through the photo book quickly.
I say photo book, it's when you just sort of see. Oh, you know, on Utopia, my favourite song. Wait, Utopia's on here? Wasn't it on the last stuff? I'm bad. Oh, duplicate songs, there's some new ones. Still here. It's got English in it though, right?
That's the photo book for that. Then we have the official fan club thing. It's in Japanese, so who knows. Now for a photo card. They are the same size as the last ones for Japanese. So the Japanese photo cards are a bit bigger. They do fit in the 9 pocket sleeves, but only just about. So let's see what we got. They are selfie cards! Yay! Oh my god, they're so cute. They are the size of like Monster X cards. I know if anyone knows what they are like. So yay, we have Oh Young. So I won't put anything back until the end because these are for a group order. So it will be a lot easier just to get them all out now. So there was 5 regular, 5 limited, 4 regular. And now for the regular ones. Just 4 of these. I ordered more limited ones, but yeah. So I'll just show you one. Here's the front. Yeah, same photo, just like a different layout. The back. The reason this is different is because it doesn't have, well, first of all, it's harder to open. Second of all, it doesn't have the DVD. That's the only reason why the other one is limited. It has a DVD. So this one has like this thing on it. And then the front, the side, the back, that side, all angles. Open this. Oh, I do like the colouring of this though. Oh, I just tried to open it, I just realised. Just the one CD for this one. Okay, let me just take that out. So for the photo book, I think they might be different. Again, the same fan club membership thing. And oh, it's song art, and yeah, it's not a selfie card.
Let's go to the rest. Where have you been?
So yeah, I'll just show you these. Do you want me to put them all together? To show our pals. Songwha really liked us this comeback. Not complaining, you're always welcome. Songwha. Wait, how can I... I can't really see the camera that well, so... But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I have to package, is the boring part, which I don't think you'll want to see, is packaging them all up, writing people's addresses and sending them off. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you are interested in joining Ateez group orders, then maybe follow my Instagram, because I often do group orders for Ateez products, seasons, greetings, albums, Japanese albums. So yeah, it'll be on the screen. Hope you enjoyed. See you later. Bye.